Whew. So hectic out there today. So we're about to change the head unit in this Civic. This one's a piece of shit. It looks a bit outdated. So what we're gonna do, there's 4 screws we need to undo. One there, one there's just a Phillips head, and then there's one on the side there somewhere, and then another side, exact same. You can see that. Down here somewhere. Alright, so to get better leverage up in here, we'll just remove this thing. Just one little plug. Okay. Looks like this bracket has just been wedged in, if you can see there. They've just pulled the little tabs down to hold that shit in. Just gonna undo that. It's gotta be very gentle not to crack your trim.
Is this technical?
So this head unit was because whoever put this shit in didn't mount it onto shit, just bent these tabs and left that in there. So that was just a mission to get out. And we didn't have the tools to slide on the side, so literally just pulled this out like that. Okay, so these cables here, the red one's your 12-volt accessories, and then the black one is your ground. And these ones run off to your speakers. So you've got the 2 grey ones, the white, the green, and the purple, and those should match up exactly the same as these ones here. So now we've got to do is chop them up, join them up, and we should be good. Moment of truth, yo.
Head unit's in, wiring's done. Let's see if it turns on. Hey, there we go.
Just gonna reattach the bottom compartment here.
Sorry for the wind noise, guys. As you can see, it's quite hectic right now.
Out there, man.
Like even the roof's moving and shit. So
yeah. Okay, so that's all back to normal. Bolts are in. Now we move on to the wiring for the amp and rear subby and the 2 speakers.
alrighty guys, so what we're doing now is just connecting the fuse for the subwoofer wiring. So you just gotta cut the little tag end off, cut both ends, and then just connect it to the fuse. Not too hard, not rocket science either.
Oh, good.
Okay, open up the bolts, guys. Now there will be a little piece of rubber tubing in here. Just try and get that out. There goes that. Twist the end. Make it nice and tight prior to putting it in. Right. Put it in nicely.
There's a little rubber tubing.
Make sure this is nice and tight, guys. Otherwise, while you're driving, it might fall off, create a short, and then there's your fuse gone. Because the car will think that the battery
Shorted.
power is actually shorting. Yeah. And that's nice and tight, that's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
And just shove it in there. Shove it right in, you know? Just
Right in there.
right in.
Get it in there.
Tight as you can get it.
It's not going nowhere.
That's not going anywhere.
Sweet.
Alright. Cover over the top. There you go. There's your fuse. Disconnect the negative as well. Hopefully that's only finger tight, which it is. That goes down there. I'll with this one. So now you want to attach the end with the fuse on it, right? What I'll do first, put this down here. Right, this is going to sit down here. Well, actually, I'll put that in. I'm going to make a little hole in the grommet down here, so that enters your cabin. Alright? See that grommet just there?
A little black round thing.
Yep, just behind the battery there. So we're going to want to make a hole into that, so we can push it through to the cabin. Get it up.
So feeded that through that bottom grommet down there. Fuse is just going to sit there for a minute. And then got the cable right here. Okay, so I've been moving in that. And this car's literally been used for storage, so it's got so much junk in the back of this car that I need to take out. Should have done this beforehand. So I've got the back all empty now. I'll have to fix that at some point. This is my subby. Picked this up for about $30. 10 inch. Just gonna feed it through, ground it all in, and yes. Okay, so this is the new little amp, little 500 watt. It's a little 2-channel. So what we've done here, just connected the subwoofer in with these two cables here. And run straight into the side of the subby, and obviously the copper one is the positive. So the subby's in. We're just gonna put the 6-inch kickers in now. Yes. Yes. It's gonna go at the back. So we've got to make some new holes in this. Just gonna screw it in. No drill. And make do. Went from this to that. Look at the size difference of that shit. Yeah, sweet. Alright. So, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. That's so crisp. Sounds mean.
That to burst my eardrums.
Yeah. Burst everyone's eardrums.
Yeah. There you go.
So there you go. That's how you install head unit, speakers and subbies in an EG Civic.
That's the end of the video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's do it. Southeast Ghetto. Let's get it.
Ghettos. Cheers.